Cast iron cooker with 2-part hinge and 27-inch handle, can be placed over flame or nestled between coals. Great for toasting sandwiches, grilling meat, and cooking desserts over an open fire. Affordable, essential gear for car camping, RV trailers, motorhomes, cabins, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product that delivered. They sold out at my local Canadian Tire and I was so disappointed with a week until our camping trip. I was so happy when I found these on Amazon, great price, and came quick. Product itself was great. I was a bit concerned with the size at first, thinking it was quite small, but it actually helped the bread to create a crust all around the pie. It was easy to use, and easy to clean. Just make sure you use oil so the pies come out easy.